Bristol Community College, Mathematics with Dan Avedikian, Math 060, Topics in Developmental Mathematics, Section 4.7, Problem 18. This is Section 4.7, Problem 18. It says, after giving up donuts for a month, Homer Simpson's weight drops from 250 pounds to 230 pounds. And as Homer would say, donuts. So what is the percent decrease? So we have a formula for percent decrease, and that formula is percent decrease equals amount of decrease over original amount. So the amount of the decrease, if Homer's weight goes from 250 to 230 pounds, the amount of decrease is 20. He lost 20 pounds. And the original amount, the starting amount for this problem is 250. So that's the answer, but it's not really in the best form. I want to write that as a percent, because it says percent decrease. I want it as a percent. So as a fraction, it is 20 over 250. That can be reduced a little bit. I can at least chop off the zeros. But I want to convert it to a decimal, then convert that decimal to a percent. So again, if your math teacher allows you to use a calculator for class, just do the numerator of 20 divided by the denominator of 250 equals. Calculator will give you the decimal at least right away. You still have to convert that. Now, if your teacher won't let you use a calculator, you just have to do it out the long way. So if you're going to do it out the long way, then I would reduce. If you can use your calculator, it doesn't matter. You can reduce, not reduce. It's just as easy. But if you're going to do it by hand, I would at least cancel the zeros. 2 over 25. You can turn it into a division problem. The denominator of 25 divides into the numerator of 2 how many times? Well, 2 simply is not big enough to divide 25 into. So you have to put in a decimal, add a 0, 2.0, treat it as a 20. Well, 20 is still not big enough. 25 is bigger. It won't fit into 20. So once you got the decimal there, you can just put in another 0, 2.00, but treat it as a 200. Now 25 will go in. So it went into the 2 0 times, and the decimal comes straight up. It went into the 20, also 0 times. Into the 200, though, it'll go in 8 times. 8 times 5 is 40. Write the 0, carry the 4. 8 times 2 is 16. 16 plus the 4 that you carried. 16 and 4 is 20. Give me a 200. So 200 minus 200 is 0. It fits in perfectly. 0.08 as a decimal gets converted to 8%. So by losing 20 pounds, Homer experienced an 8% decrease in his weight. Imagine if he gave up beer.